How to call people on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to call people on Instagram, whether it's a quick voice call or a full video chat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the messenger icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the DM section. Now here you can choose the friend or person you want to call by just tapping on the chat. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the chat section. Now here in this section, at the top, you'll see two icons, a phone icon for a voice call and a camera icon for a video call. So here you can tap the one you want and boom, your Instagram call will be on. And that's it. That's how you can call people on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.